Three important questions you must ask yourself for choosing the right property in Dubai. Okay, now, do you want to buy a mansion in Palm Al Jumeirah or a 1000 square meter penthouse in downtown for less than 1 million dirhams? Do you really want it?
Well, you ain't getting any dinner. Wanna know why?
It's not possible to purchase any property with desire if we don't have enough money. Therefore, we need to make our expectations more realistic. Before embarking on your property search, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your budget. So, the first question is this: what is my budget, and is it enough to buy a great mansion in the most expensive area in Dubai? Or I just can buy a little tiny apartment in the countryside? And now suddenly a rich guy appears and said, yes, of course it's enough. Let's buy a penthouse far from the city in the quiet place, bro. But wait.
Wait a minute!
You don't want to spend hours and hours driving to the city center every single day for work. Instead, consider purchasing a property in the heart of the city, even if it's small. On the other hand, if you are working online or have the flexibility of being a business owner who doesn't need to be physically present at the office, you can opt for a larger property located further away from noise and crowded areas and providing a peaceful retreat. Moreover, if you are an investor seeking profitable opportunities to increase your wealth, your first consideration should be your budget plus good investing features. And if you don't know what is the best features for investing, watch this video about top investment short tips in Dubai market after this video. So that makes question number 2. What is my proper location based on my lifestyle, purpose, and budget? Okay, so you have enough budget to buy a penthouse close to Burj Khalifa? Nice! Before going to question number 3, and before do anything, it really helps me to gather more information about Dubai market for you for free if you boop that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So now, you have bought a penthouse in downtown with a breathtaking view of Burj Khalifa. Many years have passed, and now you are on the verge of retirement, and you're really seeking for a quiet and peaceful place to relax after years of hard work. On the flip side, you might be dreaming of going back to Hawaii to enjoy your retirement days with your lovely family. Wow, it's a fantastic plan, but hold on a moment. Have you considered whether you can easily and swiftly sell your penthouse or villa at a good price, even to the extent that your future grandchildren and great-grandchildren won't be able to sell the property? Wow, that's not good. Yes, it's true. This question marks the third and final consideration. Is it possible to easily resell the property I've purchased at a good price? So, make sure to consider this resale value of the property in the future. And if you don't have enough time to do it by yourself, simply rely on your trusted broker to handle the task for you. And take a look to the market value and number of transactions to get that which type of properties had the best performance in June 2023 in this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.